Okay guys, I'm messaged pretty much every day from traders of all different levels. Some trading just a few steps into it, others traded for a long time, but they all say the same thing. I understand it and I'm not profitable, and they don't understand why. Well, I'm pretty certain I know why. So let's roll the intro and we'll discuss it.
Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. It's your first time here. I'm the big fella Scruff, and what I'm trying to do is put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. So that sounds good and you find value in what I do, hit the subscribe button, smash the like, share to your friends, all of that sort of stuff, and we'll crack on. So as I was saying, I've been around the industry a long time, and a lot of people do reach out to contact me because I like to think I'm quite amenable. I will speak to every single one of you. Doesn't matter how you contact me, I'll always take the time to respond. But there is a common thread over certainly the last 6 months to sort of a year. And that is I've been trading for a couple of years and I kind of get there and then I lose it and I'm just not profitable. And I'm pretty certain I could nail it on the head. Because every time I speak to them, there's a common theme. No structure, none whatsoever. They'll see the latest video or the latest sort of shiny object, you know, ICT, silver bullet, momentum, breakfast breakout. Oh, I'll try that. It lasts a day and they're doing well, maybe it's a week, and then it just goes all to pot. And it goes all to pot because you haven't put the structure in the first place. Let me tell you, every single system works, all of them, if you know when to use them. Most people don't. They just think you can go to market as and when and you're going to pull money from it. Well, if I said to you I could turn you a profitable trader in 30 days, most people would laugh at me. And a lot of people do laugh at me.
Are you serious?
But the people that have done the exercise I'm about to tell you have all come through on the other side, and they're now starting to understand what it is to put structure into the market and then just do less is more, because less is more is the key. You cannot stay focused all the time and be in the markets over and over again. It's just not possible. Eventually you're going to trip up. You're better to take 1-2 trades a day with solid foundations and then just compound your money up. Simple stuff, simple stuff. We're doing it ourselves at the moment in the Scruffy Squad with small accounts, and we build it up. I love building small accounts. I do it all the time, and they make me quite a bit of money, as you'll see in the Vanguard videos I do at the end of each month. Every penny in there has come from building a small account and taking the profits and dumping it in there, making the money work for me. But what's the exercise to get you to work in 30 days? It's very simple. It's based on the 5-3-1 basis. Now, if you haven't come across that, it's 5 products. So pick your first 5 products that you love trading the best, and that's all you focus on. You could even drill it into 1 product, just 1. Okay? But you start with 5. Doesn't matter what they are, and that's what you're going to analyze each day. Your 3 section is there are 3 strategies. You've got swing, day and scalp. The difference between them is a swing is anything past 24 hours, a day trade is running the entire day, and a scalp is in and out within an hour. And then the target ratio is 2 or 3 ticks for a scalp, kind of 10 plus for a day trade, and 40 to 50 plus for a swing trade. They're the roundabout figures. But if you are to become profitable, you need to build discipline. And discipline is the hardest thing in the world to build. Certainly for a trader, because most of you gamble. Trust me, you just gamble. And that's why you blow it. I get emails all the time about prop firms. What's the biggest size I can put on? You're wasting your time. Absolutely wasting your time. Because the drawdown won't allow the size. You know, you've got to be sensible. So, what I want you to do is take one trade per day for 30 days with a single position size, which is the smallest position size you can take. And you do this with real money, not paper trading or anything. You open up a small account, you know, whether you buy a boot camp with the 5%ers, because that costs you next to nothing to get into it, or you put a few £100 into a broker like BlackBull, because that's decent leverage, 500 to 1. There is links for these below. And what you do is you trade it once a day for 30 days on the smallest position. Now what this will do, this will build the confidence, because what we've done is we've taken the money aspect out of it, but we have added in the mindset aspect. Because trust me, even when you're on 10 pence a point, the mindset is so much different to paper trading. You'll see it, you'll snatch it, you'll make daft decisions. And what we're trying to do is build muscle memory in the mind, so that you get used to it going into drawdown, used to it running for you. And what you do is, at the end of the 30 days, if you are positive, in other words, you have more money than you started with, because all these 10 pence wins add up, you're fine. But if you took 2 trades on a day, you fail. Why? Because you've given in to temptation. Terrible thing to do for a trader. And if you're doing this all the time, you might as well just chuck your money in that fire, because that's exactly what you're doing. So it's 1 trade a day, look at your assets, 1 strategy, so you pick which way you're going to go, whether it's swing trading, scalping or day trading, 1 strategy, and you're looking for positive expectancy. Now if you do that and you have increased, you've earned the right to increase your position size. Now you do it again for another 30 days and you see if you're still profitable, but this time with a slightly bigger position size. And if you feel comfortable, fine, you can maybe start trading £1 a point or whatever. But if you still feel uncomfortable, you keep doing it till you're comfortable. And what happens is that single strategy that you've decided on is now had time to grow and show you the high points and the low points, because you can't do it in a day or two. You've got to give it time, and 30 days is about right. But where most traders fail or fall down is the money aspect. They chase the money over and over. So the process, what we've just spoke about, takes that away by just using minimal money. So the money's not in the equation. It's all about the process. If you do that, trust me, you will be a better trader in 30 days. And if you think about it, 30 days for a lifetime is nothing. Cherish your thoughts. Drop it in the comments. Do keep putting your ideas in the comments, what you want me to talk about. I'm always happy to come on the camera and give you my opinion. And hopefully we'll come down this journey together. So as always guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.